So hey guys, today we are gonna learn another very important coding interview problem, which is TwoSum. So this is the problem, TwoSum problem. So here we have to they have given us a key which is 21, and we have to find two numbers from this array which will add up to 21. So suppose here in this case we have 13 and 8 which will add up to 21. So we have to find these two numbers in the array to get the output as key. So how do we do that? So first approach would be obviously brute force method, wherein we can have two for loops. Suppose here is a one for loop uh, to find one element, and for the second for loop for the second element. So suppose here what we will do is we will first, and we will search for every other element in an array. Like in here we will search for every other element which will add up to 21. So here in this case 1 plus 2, 1 plus 8, and all these numbers will not add up to 21, so we will move to here by just removing this. So suppose I remove this. Okay, I remove this and start from here again. So from here, like, we will again check for this thing, and we will check if 2 plus 8 is 10, 2 plus 9 is 11. So here we didn't find the key. Then again we will start from the next element, which is 8. And now after 8 plus 9, which is 17, and 8 plus 11 19, and 8 plus 13, which is 21, then we will break our for loop. So in this way, this brute force method works. So here the time complexity of the method is O of n square, which is very high, and we can solve this problem in just O of n. Then why to go for this? Because in interviews they will ask for the cleanest approach, which has like a time complexity less. So here we will go for the window approach. So this program I will link in the description, and you can go check it out. So Windows approach would be, what we will do is we will first uh, suppose we are now at like wait a minute, yeah. So suppose I will just clear it out all those things. Okay. So in the second approach, what we will do is we will we will have two pointers here and here. Okay. So what we will do is we will add these numbers 1 plus 17, which is 18, which is less than key. So what we will do, if the number is less than key, then we will increment this pointer. So we will check 2 plus 17, which is 19, and then again we will increment, which is 8 plus 17, which is 25. So after, if we get number sum greater than the 21, then what we will do is we will decrement this pointer. So here we have to do two things, which is if the number get greater than the key, then we have to decrement this pointer, and if the number get less than key, then we have to increment this pointer. So in this way we can go through this. So here what we will do is first we will add up 1 plus 17, which is 18, so less than key. Then we will increment the this pointer, which is like we will keep these pointers as low and high. So we will increment the low pointer, and after that, the we will check for 2 plus 17, which is 2 plus 17 is 19, which is also less than key. Then we will increment the lower pointer again, and then we will add 8 plus 17, which is 25. So now we got the number greater than 21, which is 25. So what we will do here is we will decrement the higher pointer. So after decrementing the higher pointer, now we will get 8 plus 13, which is our output, which is equal to key. Then key is equal to 21. So here what we will do is we will break the for loop and print it as a output. So I'll link code for both of these approaches in the description, and or I will write the code for both of these in the description. You can just copy paste it in your this thing, and here I can do that. So okay, for today this is one problem, and yeah, bye.